Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope you are doing great and welcome back to English class with Miss Tisa. Hai kalian semua, apa kabarnya hari ini? Saya berharap kalian dalam keadaan baik-baik saja, sehat dan bahagia. Dan selamat datang kembali pada pelajaran bahasa Inggris bersama Miss Tisa. And today we are going to learn chapter 8 of the 8th grade, What are you doing? Dan hari ini kita akan mempelajari bab 8, kelas 8, What are you doing? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan? And today's lesson is all about present continuous tense. Dan pelajaran kita hari ini adalah tentang present continuous tense. Okay, let's check this out. What are you doing? I'm playing guitar. What are you doing? I'm playing guitar. Okay? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan? Saya sedang bermain gitar. Okay. Kalimat yang ada di sini adalah kalimat present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan? Saya sedang bermain gitar. Apa sih present continuous tense itu? Okay. Present continuous tense is used to talk about activities that is happening in the present. Okay, present continuous tense digunakan untuk menyatakan aktivitas yang sedang terjadi saat ini. Okay, berarti kalau kita ingin menyatakan tentang kegiatan atau aktivitas yang sedang kita lakukan saat ini, maka kita menggunakan bentuk kalimat present continuous tense. Get it? Okay. Now we go to this one. Alright, now I'm going to give you the form of present continuous tense. Oke, saya akan memberikan bentuk present continuous tense ya. Dari mulai affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Oke, dari mulai pernyataan atau kalimat positif, lalu negatif, dan juga kalimat tanya. Oke, for the affirmative, the form is subject plus am, is, are, atau kita sebut to be ya. And then verbnya ditambahkan dengan ing. Kata kerjanya ditambahkan ing. Subject plus am, is, are plus verb ing. Get it? Okay, remember, for subject I, to be-nya am. For he, she, it, atau third person singular, untuk orang ketiga tunggal, he, she, it, to be-nya is. And for we, you, and they, to be-nya are. Get it? Okay. Now I'm going to read the example. I am reading comic now. Saya sedang membaca komik sekarang. Oh yeah. Don't forget, verbnya harus ditambahkan dengan ing. Read tambahkan dengan ing jadi reading, okay? I am reading comic now. Saya sedang membaca komik sekarang. Okay, now the second one. He is eating at the moment. He is eating at the moment. Dia laki-laki sedang makan sekarang, okay? Next, we are cooking at present. We are cooking at present. Kami sedang memasak sekarang. Oke, ini bentuk contoh kalimat positifnya ya, atau pernyataan. Oke, now look at this. Oke, look, the boys are playing football now. Look, the boys are playing football now. Lihat, anak laki-laki itu sedang bermain sepak bola sekarang. Okay, get it? Yes. Kenapa pakai are? Kenapa nggak is? Karena the boys. Boys-nya banyak ya, they. Jadi pakainya are. And don't forget, tambahkan ing setelah kata kerja. The boys are playing. Get it? Now we go to the negative. For negative, the form is subject plus am, is, are, and not plus verb ing. Oke, untuk negatifnya subjek ditambahkan to be-nya sama ya, am, is, are, tapi ditambahkan dengan kata not. Jadi am not, is not, are not. Oke, and then verb-nya juga pakai ing, verb ing. Oke, this is the example. I am not studying at the moment. I am not studying at the moment. Saya tidak sedang belajar sekarang. Okay, next. She is not playing now. She is not playing now. Dia perempuan tidak sedang bermain sekarang. Next. You are not swimming right now. You are not swimming right now. Kamu tidak sedang berenang sekarang. Okay? Remember ya, I am, he, she, it, is, we, you, they, are. Okay? And you also can make it in the short form. Bisa disingkat ya, or you can construct it. I am bisa menjadi I'm. Okay? I am. Jadi I am not, I'm not. Okay? She is not becomes she isn't. Is not, isn't. She is not, she isn't. Next, they are not, they aren't. Are not, aren't. Okay, they aren't. Get it? I am not, I'm not. She is not, she isn't. They are not, they aren't. Okay, jadi boleh ya dibaca seperti ini. Next. Okay, my friends and I aren't watching comedy. We are watching horror movie. My friends and I aren't watching comedy. We are watching horror movie. Okay, teman saya dan saya tidak sedang menonton komedi, film komedi. Kita sedang menonton film horor. Okay? Ini negatifnya pakai aren't. Okay, dari kata are not. Okay? Kenapa aren't? Kenapa nggak isn't? Karena my friends and I. Itu artinya we, kami. Banyak ya orangnya. Okay, next. And we go to the interrogative. Interrogative atau question. Am, is, are. To be-nya am, is, are. Plus subject, plus verb ing. Okay. Remember tadi ya. Subject I, am, she, he, it, is, we, you, they, are. Okay. Am I writing a letter at the present? Am I writing a letter at present? Okay. Is she waiting me at the moment? Are they cycling now? Okay. Apakah am I writing a letter at present? Apakah saya sedang menulis surat sekarang? Is he waiting me at the moment? Is he waiting me at the moment? Apakah dia laki-laki sedang menunggu saya sekarang? Are they cycling now? Apakah mereka sedang bersepeda sekarang? Okay. We go here. Is your mom gardening right now? Is your mom gardening right now? Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Okay. Apakah ibumu sedang berkebun sekarang? Ya. Kalau iya, jawabnya yes, she is. Remember, your mom is she, and then to be-nya is. Yes, she is. Get it? Next. Are the kids watching TV? Are the kids watching TV? No, they aren't. They are playing video games. No, they aren't. They are playing video games. Apakah anak-anak itu sedang menonton TV? Tidak, mereka sedang bermain video game. Oke. Oke, kalau jawabannya no, maka no they aren't. Oke, the kids. Nah, anaknya ada dua ya, ada lebih dari satu, maka they. The kids, they are, kalau no berarti aren't. Oke, atau are not. Get it? Are the kids watching TV? No, they aren't. They are playing video games. Okay, next. Alright guys, for adverb of time, kata keterangan waktu untuk bentuk present continuous ini adalah now, right now, at present, at the moment, still, today. Artinya sekarang, masih, hari ini gitu ya. now, right now, at present, at the moment, still, today. Okay. Next, okay, we are going to answer the questions based on the picture. Okay, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, apa yang sedang kamu lakukan? Okay, can you answer the question? Alright, that's true. I'm doing my homework. I'm doing my homework. Kita bisa tambahkan kata keterangan waktunya ya. I'm doing my homework at the moment. What are you doing? I'm doing my homework at the moment. Okay, next. What is she doing? What is she doing? Apa yang dia laki-laki sedang lakukan? Okay, what is the answer? Alright, correct. Okay, what is she doing? He's riding bike at the moment. He's riding bike at the moment. Okay, dia sedang mengendarai sepeda sekarang. Okay, next question. What are the girls doing? What are the girls doing? Okay, apa yang sedang dilakukan anak-anak perempuan ini sekarang? What is your answer? Okay, that's true. They are singing now. They are singing now. Mereka sedang bernyanyi sekarang. Okay. Kenapa they? Karena the girls. Remember the girls itu they and then are singing now. Okay. Alright guys. So what have we learned today? Let's sum up. Okay, we've learned about present continuous tense. So, ingat ya, present continuous tense. Okay, menyatakan aktivitas yang sedang kita lakukan. Okay, present continuous tense. Okay, bentuknya jangan lupa to be-nya am is are dan kata kerjanya harus ditambahkan ing. Get it? For example, I am playing basketball. Saya sedang bermain bola basket. Jangan lupa kata-kata keterangan waktunya ya. Ada now, at the moment, at present, right now, still, okay, today. Okay, for example, I am playing basketball right now. Saya sedang bermain bola basket sekarang. Okay, guys. And then for the assignment, I want you to go to the Google Classroom. There, I've put the assignment. Please read the instruction carefully. Alright guys, thank you so much for your kind attention. And I hope you can understand the lesson today. Oke, baiklah anak-anak, terima kasih atas perhatiannya. Saya sangat berharap kalian dapat memahami pelajaran kita hari ini. Dan jangan lupa setelah ini kalian pergi ke Google Classroom. Di sana saya telah memberikan tugas untuk kalian. Tolong baca instruksinya dengan baik ya. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.